Okay, so let's take a look at parameterized function in GDScript. So first thing, make sure that you download Godot, and you don't have to install it, just run the exe. That should open your Godot. Okay, now create new project, and in your new project make sure that you add new script by right clicking on your file system tab and then click on new scene. Make sure to also add this to the node. Okay, in your case it could be 3D depending on your project, but for sake of simplicity I have added to the node, and then also created new script. Okay, and then I have added that script with attached script to that scenes node. Okay, now next thing, here you can see within my new script I have extends node and function ready as these two statements here, and I'm going to create a function. Let's name it add. So fun keyword and then add. Okay, then you would semicolon, colon, and then in next line print. Okay, so in case of our function, let's take two parameters a and b, and in print statement we use a plus b. Now what we will do is, in our ready function we will simply call our add function, give it a value 2 and let's say 4, so it should return 6 in output. So run the project. Okay, ignore this window for now, and in output here in bottom you can see the value 6. So you pass two parameters here and then the addition, and it gets shown in the output. Similarly, you can also use return statement. So return a plus b. However, when you return, make sure that your add to 4 is within this print. Okay, now here let's add something different. So we add two parameters here, 4, they get sent to your add function, then they should return value of 8. So run the project, and here you get. Okay, so what we have done so far is, one, we created our function and then call that from ready function. We also created the parameters for it. Okay, you can manually specify integer, and if another is string then mention that and return accordingly. Okay, so you get the idea how to create a function, then call that function, and also how to pass the parameters.